In the world of artificial intelligence, the term open source has become a lie. We are told that models like Llama, Mistral, or Gemma are open. But are they? In 2025, open usually just means you get a zip file of weights and a blog post full of redacted secrets. You get the final product, but the recipe, the ingredients, and the kitchen it was cooked in remain locked away. This shift has quietly turned open models into black boxes that you can run, but never truly understand. Think about it. You can run these models on your GPU, but can you reproduce them? Can you audit exactly which websites they scraped? Can you see the reinforcement learning scripts that shaped their morality? No. You hit a wall of non-disclosure agreements and hand-wavy documentation. Researchers call this open weights for a reason. The real science, the training data, the optimizer settings, the safety filters, is missing. And without those, we are just building on top of mysteries we cannot solve. But there is a new challenger entering the arena, and it is not from a trillion-dollar tech giant. It is from the Allen Institute for AI, a nonprofit quietly building the rebel alliance of the AI world. They have just released OLMo 3, and it is redefining what transparency actually means. They didn't just dump the weights, they published the entire lifecycle, the training code, the evaluation scripts, every intermediate checkpoint, and, crucially, the massive dataset that powers it all. Let's talk about that foundation. It is called OLMo 3. This is a staggering 9 trillion token dataset spanning the web, code, books, and scientific papers. Unlike the secret soups used by OpenAI or Google, OLMo 3 is released for you to inspect. If the model hallucinates or shows bias, you don't have to guess why. You can look at the source. OLMo 3 isn't just a model, it is an ecosystem designed to be taken apart. AI2 is releasing OLMo 3 in 3 distinct flavors to match your specific needs. First, there is Base, a purely pre-trained model untouched by human instruction, perfect for researchers. Then there is Think, a reasoning-optimized variant designed for math, logic, and code agents. And finally, Instruct, tuned for chat and automation. And they kept the sizes pragmatic, 7 billion and 32 billion parameters. The 7 billion parameter version is a game changer for local privacy. With quantization, this runs on a modern laptop or a beefy CPU. You don't need a wall of A100s to prototype. But if you want power, the 32 billion model starts nipping at the heels of heavyweights like Qwen 3 and Gemma 3, all while requiring a fraction of the training data. It is efficient, it is portable, and it is completely yours. But here is the killer feature that turns this from a science project into a superpower: OLMo Trace. Imagine having X-ray vision for your AI. Other labs give you vague model cards. OLMo 3 ships with a forensic tool that shows you where an answer came from, token by token. You type a prompt, get a response, and instantly see which documents in that 9 trillion token pile influenced the output. This changes everything for developers. If your chatbot gives dangerous medical advice or hallucinates a legal statute, you don't just tweak the prompt and pray. You can jump straight to the source document that caused the error. You can downweight bad data, patch gaps with fine-tuning, or add guardrails around risky domains. It turns vibes-based debugging into actual engineering. Let's see it in action. If you ask the Think variant to write Rust code for a Fibonacci sequence, it doesn't just spit out the answer. It narrates its thinking process, explaining the recursion and memory allocation. And with OLMo Trace, you can see the exact GitHub snippets and blog posts that taught it that coding style. You can verify the licensing and context of the code it is generating. That is compliance gold. Now, let's be real about performance. Does it beat GPT-4 or Claude 3.5? No. The biggest closed models, trained on secret oceans of data, still win on general knowledge and creative writing. That is the glass ceiling of open source right now. However, on math and coding benchmarks, OLMo 3 is punching way above its weight class. It runs neck and neck with Llama and Quen on reasoning tasks, despite using 6 times less training data. This efficiency is key. AI2 proved you don't need to burn the entire internet to get a smart model. You just need high-quality, transparent data. And because they released the intermediate checkpoints, you can actually travel back in time. You can start fine-tuning from when the model was only 50% done, before it got over-specialized. It is a level of control that simply does not exist with Meta or Mistral. OLMo 3 is not just another model release. It is a blueprint for a different kind of AI future. One where trust is earned through radical disclosure, not marketing claims. For the first time, we have a competitive, reasoning-heavy model that respects the scientific method. It allows us to build systems we can actually explain, audit, and fix. The closed-source giants should be worried, not because OLMo is smarter today, but because it empowers the entire community to build something smarter tomorrow. If you are a developer, a researcher, or just someone who cares about the future of OpenAI, you need to download this